Hi, I'm Naïma. I work in the research and development team at Prose, and I'm going to take you through my Prose custom hair care routine. First, I start by applying my custom scalp mask. I part my wet hair in sections for an easy application on itchy scalp zones. Then I massage my hair roots for an effective exfoliation. I jump in the shower to rinse it with warm water and then shampoo and condition my hair. Then I start my styling routine by applying my custom curl cream on wet hair. I follow by applying my styling gel that is customized with a medium hold for flexible and touchable curls. I scrunch my curls, making sure to hear the squeezing sound. Then I scrunch again with a microfiber towel. Then I diffuse my hair with minimum heat. Once my hair is completely dry, I finish my styling by scrunching my curls using hair oil to break the cast and add volume for a natural look and bouncy curls. And that's it for my hair routine.